the Mpow H20 headphones. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will be taking a look at the Mpow H20 over-the-ear headphones. I will go over the specs, features, provide microphone and audio samples, and give my final thoughts. This was sent out for me to review, and as always, I provide my honest and unbiased opinions in my reviews. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. Inside you get the user guide, a micro USB cable and audio cable, and the carrying case. The Mpow H20 features 30 hours of playtime. It takes about 2 to 3 hours to fully charge. It uses Bluetooth 5.0, button controls, micro USB for charging, and it has 40mm drivers. The headphones are fairly light, and it has a smooth, sleek design throughout. You can see the Mpow branding on the outside. The ear cushions feel pretty soft, and it has a good amount of padding. The top of the headband is also padded nicely. And towards the middle, you can see the ear indicator markings. They do fold in for easy storage, but the ear cups do not swivel out. It has a fairly good amount of travel for adjustment on each side, and you can see the markings for the sizing. And you can see here it's pretty flexible. On the right side, you have the following: volume and track button, the power, voice assistant, Bluetooth, play, pause button, LED indicator, the micro USB charge port, 3.5mm input, and microphone. Accessing the charge port is just a matter of removing the cover. The H20 weighs in at roughly 262 grams. And now for some microphone and audio samples. This is a test of the Mpow H20 microphone. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. The microphone came in loud and clear, and I had no issues with it during calls. Watching videos with an iOS device, I didn't notice any latency or experience any disconnects.
Stuck in a small town, haven't left just yet. Got bigger dreams running through our heads, running through our heads. Oh, we hear the rumbling of the road. A new song playing far from home. We come together to answer the call. We play it loud, or we play nothing at all.
Here are my thoughts on the Mpow H20. The headphones were very comfortable and it didn't feel too tight at all. The paddings on the ear cups along with the headband were enough, and I can wear them for extended periods of time without any discomfort. Build and quality is very good for this price point. I like the smooth design of the band, and the button controls were easily accessible. It would have been nice if it had active noise cancellation built in. When it comes to sound, all I can say is that this is worth it for the price. I was impressed with the sounds it produced. The lows were very good. It had nice, deep, punchy, tight bass. Mids and highs were also clean and clear, and the vocals and instruments really stand out. It just had a very balanced sound for me. Treble was just enough. Even at a high volume, it was a great listening experience throughout. It sounded good with various music genres as well. These H20s can definitely rival headphones twice the price. It has good battery life, responsive controls, very comfortable, and of course, the sounds are impressive. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.